The greatest common factor of 24 and x is 8. How many possible values for x are greater than 10 and less than 70? Alright. So basically, this is asking us for it has to meet these conditions, which is the numbers have to be, x's has to be greater than 10 and less than 70, and the factors, the greatest common factor of 24 and x is 8. So it cannot be a value where it has to be such that 8 is the greatest factor that goes into 24 and x. Okay? So let's see. So first let's find the factors of 8. Okay, so what are the factors of 8? Factors of 8. Factors of 8. So you have 8. Okay, so these are all the factors. Well, no, these are not all the factors, but these are some of the factors of 8. And what does it say? X has to be greater than 10. So it has to be greater than 10, meaning this won't work. And less than 70. So this won't work. So we're left with these values, right? However, it also says the greatest common factor of 24 and x is 8. All right. So the greatest common factor has to be 8. The problem I see here with these values is that some of these don't work. Meaning, not some, but one of these don't work. This 48 here, 24 can go into 48. So 24 becomes the greatest number that can go into 48. And we don't want that. It's asking how many possible values of x are the greatest common factor of 24 and x is 8. So because 48 is here, we can't use that. Okay? Because then the GCF, or the greatest common factor, would be 24, not 8. And we also have 24, right? So let's exclude that as well because it's already included here. So we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the final answer is 16, 32, 40, 56, and 64.